So today we're going to look at something a little different. This is my old chair from Ikea. I've had this chair for 10 years. It served me really well, but it's time to change it up a little bit. So this is my new chair. I have bought a secret Lab Titan and this thing weighs an absolute ton. Hauling it up some stairs. Secret Lab, if you're listening to this, you could do with some handholds on the side to help you shift it upstairs if you're living in apartment blocks. It weighs 35 kilos if you really wanted to know it, to state that on the side as well. So we're going to get into this and we're going to look at a quick build log of this chair. So grabbing a pair of scissors and opening the box up, let's see what we've got inside here. Starting off, they provide this handy dandy build guide, nicely laminated for you. 15 individual steps. Pretty well done. I mean, you could have had a fold out piece of paper, but they put this huge build guide in with nice colour pictures. Works quite well. As I found out later on, the pictures are slightly out of date for this 2022 model. Only because the tools that they use on the pictures are not exactly the same as the tools that you get inside the box. What else have we got here? Welcome to comfort, a package to open up. So what did they drop inside? And this is our instruction manual. Well, it's our user manual for our Titan 2022 Evo series soft weave frost blue. This is a really expensive chair. I'm hoping it lives up to the height, and it weighs so much. Let's get this out. First we've got the back. And fighting through quite a lot of packaging material to find all the other bits. On top of it though, we find our memory foam headrest, or our memory foam headrest pillow. There's a few boxes here. This first box. Let's see what we get inside. And we've got our armrests. The armrests on this are actually detachable and are detachable magnetically. So you can exchange them. The ones that come by default are quite nice. They've got a Secret Lab logo on them. I'd say they're relatively comfortable. I don't know why you'd really want to change these, to be truthfully honest. But you can do, should you wish. Falling out some of these other components that are pretty well packed in here. We find the base adjustable unit, which is to attach the bottom of the chair. This thing is pretty heavy duty and pretty well sturdy for the chair itself. And pulling a few more things out, we find the base of the chair. This is where we're going to attach some of our wheels, and we're going to attach our pneumatic piston. Finally, with a bit of effort, we'll just haul out the base of this chair. I did find that most of the things inside here were pretty well packed. But there was a lot of packing materials that came with this. The final box hiding under all the packing materials. What have we got? We have contained inside here our wheels, and underneath we also have our toolkit as well. Now we've tidied everything away, let's start the build process. First of all, let's just take out everything from its packaging. Which there is quite a bit of packaging here. I do have a feeling that Secret Lab could reduce the amount of packaging that they use. But admittedly though, the amount that they did use meant that this did not get damaged in transit at all. Even after I hauled it all the way up the stairs into my apartment. Pretty well built. Pretty sturdy. Labels on everything telling you exactly what everything does for the lumbar support on both sides. Everything, again, well packaged. So just need to extract a little bit more here. Drag out this star base. Only got 5 wheels attached to this chair, but 5 is more than enough. 5 wheels under the chair base. And these 2 things have got a couple of magnets on. We'll figure out what those are for later. Turns out they're for the side of the chair to protect the nuts and bolts. Very nice Secret Lab toolkit. Comes with everything you need to put this thing together. Gas piston installed. Nothing holding this into place apart from your own great bulk. Use it on top of it. Pop that to one side while we assemble some other parts of the chair. More packaging removed from the base. It was around about this point that I realised that my recording had actually crashed on my computer. So there's some footage missing here. But coming back, positioning the camera a little bit, we can see we have our toolkit here. And we're going to pop out the bits and bobs that we actually need. Interestingly, there's only rails on one side of the chair, not on the right hand side of the chair, not on the left hand side of the chair. This does appear to be a design decision, but I can't quite figure out why. Once the chair is assembled, it's no problem. You don't notice that there is rails there or not. There's no instability in it. We're going to take the top of the chair and slide that onto the bottom of the chair, ready to put 4 bolts on. 2 bolts on either side. But at this point, my recording software crashed again, and there's some footage missing. But as we come back, we'll see that I have the base of the chair installed, and the flaps on either side are installed. One of these is for height and one of these is for tilt. Just need to tighten up these 4 bolts on the base with the included Allen key provided. With that complete, we can take the base of the chair and attach it to its rollers and its piston. Remember, there's absolutely nothing holding this thing together. It will be perfectly fine as soon as you're sitting on top of the chair. Make sure that things are actually installed correctly. Final piece of the puzzle is to drop on those magnetic armrests. And here is our completed build. We can take out our memory foam chair and our memory foam pillow, and this pillow is magnetic. It'll stick right to the back of the chair, just like magic. If, of course, you position it correctly. Popping that right back on there. It's positioned nice and secure. Don't worry, these magnets are very secure. You just need to find the right position for it to sit in. And we have a completed Secret Lab Titan Evo 2022 chair in soft weave frost blue. you know the routine. Hashtag like and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed this video and will join me next time. Goodbye.